Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to book a download TikTok video from URL. So the first thing you should do is you have to go to any web browser and then log in your TikTok account. So as you can see here, this is my TikTok account. Now, if you want to download bulk videos here on TikTok, you just have to search for that specific, let's just say, video title or user account. For example, this one right here, and then tap videos. What you're going to do next is go to your Google Web extension or Chrome extension, and then type this link grabber. And all you have to do is to add this to your Chrome. So let me remove this one first, add to my Chrome again, add extension, wait for a couple of seconds. Now go to extensions and then pin this one. Okay, so this is the link grabber. The next thing to do is we're going to get the URL of this video. So what we're going to do now is we're going to go to link grabber, and then as you can see, these are the URL of the videos that I wanted to download. After that, you have to open Microsoft Word, or let's just say Notepad, in order for you to paste this URL. So for this time, I'm going to use my Notepad. So I'm going to copy the videos or the specific videos that I wanted to download, or you can just simply copy all of this. So paste the URL here. Okay, these are the video, but I'm just going to copy at least a 3 or 4 for this tutorial, but everything is up to you. Now you have to go to the specific site. This is what we call talkdownload.com, and then paste the videos here or the URL here to be exact, and then click download so that you can download this TikTok videos. Wait for a couple of seconds and then you will see the result right here. So basically that's it. When you have the videos, then feel free to download all these videos, and that's how easy it is to book download TikTok video from URL. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.